all day long. He pecks a few holes in a tree to see if a redwood's really red. And it's nothing to him on the tiniest whim to peck a few holes in your head. Oh, that's the woody woodpecker's too. Makes the other woodpeckers swoon. Though it doesn't make sense to the dull and the dense, and the lady woodpeckers long for